Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Chef Arif Ravi. Today I am going to cook Sunday roast. Sunday roast is a traditional British dish typically served on Sunday lunch and dinner. It is rich in flavor and ingredients. In this particular case, I am going to give a twist to the original recipe to make it more simple by using a US chicken inside of roasted beef. It will reduce the cooking timings as well as the difficulty of the dish to make it more easy for everyone. I will pair the chicken with some roasted potato cooked in chicken fat. Bones and dripping I will use for a gravy, some honey glazed root vegetable and broccoli. Last but not least, Yorkshire pudding goes with it. Thanks, let's start. For the breast, we need chicken breast 1 piece, garlic, crushed garlic, rosemary, thyme, some pepper and some salt. Season the breast with salt and pepper on both sides. The pan is hot now. So we are going to place the chicken breast upside down. Now we are going to put the rosemary and thyme. Flip the breast other side, cook for 4 minutes each side. Add the butter now and cook it another 4 more minutes. The breast is ready now. Transfer them into a resting tray. Pour the glaze on top of the chicken breast. For the roulade, we need a T-bone chicken leg and chopped herbs. It's a thyme and rosemary chopped, chopped parsley, chopped garlic, chopped onion, minced chicken, pepper and salt. Mix the chicken with salt, pepper, onion, garlic and parsley. Mix it well. Season the chicken with salt, some pepper. Should be down, this one should be down. Some mince inside. Cut the excess meat, keep it aside, we can use for a gravy. Roll it firmly with a clean wrap and tie it both sides. The roulade is ready now. I'm going to sous vide the chicken now. Should be 68 degree, it's perfect. So it's perfect, 68 degree. So I'm going to cook the chicken for 45 minutes. Going to remove now. It's perfectly cooked. We are keeping in the chiller for a while, then we will remove, we will pan sear it. Remove the roulade from the clean flame. Season the chicken now. Some pepper, already pepper in, some rosemary, some thyme, the pan must be very hot so that it will give nice color to the roulade and also the caramelization will be nice. Some garlic. Sear the roulade all over so that it will get evenly colored. The roulade is ready now. Transfer it into a resting tray. Pour the glaze on top of it. For the chicken fat, we need chicken skin, garlic, rosemary and thyme. Simmer the chicken skin with garlic, thyme and rosemary for about 20 minutes. Chicken fat is ready. I can feel the aroma now. So I'm going to strain now. The skin is very hard and nice flavor. We can feel it now. For the roasted potatoes, thyme, rosemary, garlic, chicken fat, potatoes, salt and pepper. Bring the potato to boil with salt. Cook until tender. Drain the potatoes, then shake them for a few times to fluff up the potato on the outsides. The potato should be like this. I am going to cool down inside the chiller. Once it's cooled down, I am going to roast. Roast the cooked potato with chicken fat, salt, garlic, thyme and rosemary for about 20 to 25 minutes. The roasted potatoes are ready now. It's cooked beautifully. For the honey glazed root vegetable, we need chopped parsley, honey, turnip, carrot, salt. Blanch the carrot and turnip for 5 minutes in the salted water. In a hot pan, add the honey followed by carrot and turnip. Saute it until it gets caramelized. The root vegetables are ready now. Finish it up with butter and salt. Transfer them into a plate. It's almost ready everything. Sprinkle some parsley on it. For the blanched broccoli, we need some butter, salt and broccoli. Blanch the broccoli for 3 minutes. Glaze the broccoli with chicken stock, butter and salt. Root vegetable and broccoli are ready now. For the Yorkshire, 60 gram of flour, 2 eggs, quarter teaspoon of salt, 60 ml of milk. Mix all the ingredients until it gets smooth. The batter is ready now. The batter has to be like this. Pour the oil in the tray and heat it in the oven for 10 minutes. Bake it for 20 minutes. It's beautiful. Stand nicely colored and fluffy. For the gravy, some chicken bones, tomato paste, butter, mirepoix, roughly chopped onion, carrot, celery, tomato, crushed garlic, rosemary, thyme, paprika, flour, chicken stock, salt. For the gravy, I am going to roast the bones 180 degrees for about 25 minutes. Saute the vegetable until it gets caramelized. Add some paprika powder and tomato, cook it for a while. Add the tomato paste, cook it until the raw flavor goes off. Add 2 spoons of flour and cook it for a while. Add some chicken stock and the roasted bones to the pot. Simmer the gravy for an hour. The gravy is ready. Time to strain. The gravy is ready now. We strain it. That's it. Good to go. Yeah. Slice the breast, followed by the roulade. Slice the roulade as well. Plate it as you like and happy cooking.